Welcome to decorating our last page in our mini art journal. It's been a lot of fun, and here you can see I've selected all my pieces that I'm going to be putting in, and it's just a matter of gluing them in place now. So I hope that you enjoy this video, and thank you for joining in the process of making these little journals. May you go on to create some beautiful journals yourselves and help inspire others with God's Word. Bye for now. God bless. Enjoy. And there we have it, our finished little art journal. It came together really beautifully, and I hope this inspires you to continue on to make your own. Thank you for joining me. Bye for now. Sending love.